Hello guys, this is Rafiq here with you. In this video, let me show you how to fix the Roblox issue, which is while you try to log in Roblox and you are getting the login error, which is an unknown error occurred, please try again. This issue might be because some glitch and temporary. Why? Because of if I go to Roblox status page, it shows that all systems are operational. But if I check Roblox status on the downdetector.com website, there is problem with downloads, updates, purchases, game launch, login and server connections. And past some days, many users reported problem with Roblox. You can see here user reported problem statistics. Also here you can see in the most reported problems are login issue, game launch issue and server connection related issues. Also, many users have commented here their faced issues. That means there is some issues going on the Roblox. So fixing this permanently, Roblox should look into it. Might be some glitch only. I hope there will be permanent solution soon. Meanwhile, some easy workaround I found to fix this issue. So you people can continue your gameplay until Roblox give permanent solution. So for that, just open your Microsoft Store. Here, in the search field, search for VPN. From here, just install any of the VPN software. I installed Hotspot VPN. Once installed VPN, open it and connect it. Now, go to Roblox login page and try to log in. Now you can see login is successful and you can able to play games now. Okay, now I will log out from Roblox. Now I will disconnect VPN and I will try to log in again to Roblox. You can see login is success without VPN. So that means if you log in one time, then Roblox will allow next logins. Enjoy! That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.